How to see who sent you NGL messages. First, you need to download the NGL app. You can do this by going to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use and searching for NGL to find the app. Then open the NGL app and go to your inbox. In your inbox, you'll need to receive messages in order to view them. If you don't have any messages yet, you'll need to share your NGL link on your Instagram story first. Once you've received some messages, tap on one to view it. After tapping on a message, you'll be able to see it and have two options: to set it or reply to it. If you want to know who sent it, tap on Who Sent This, and you'll see a hint. If you tap it, you'll be prompted to subscribe to NGL. Subscribing will provide you with a hint about who sent the message, including details like the person's location, time, and device ID. However, it doesn't reveal their Instagram username, and the hint might not be very useful if you don't know where your followers live. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.